What's up guys, welcome to another video, and again today's video is about the Galaxy S21. With the Galaxy S21, the next generation of the flagship series from the South Korean manufacturer Samsung will be presented in a few months, and as usual there are already some rumors about the new smartphone. A whole series of pictures were recently published in various leaks. Now our colleagues at the 91 Mobiles have published some specifications of the Galaxy S21 Ultra first time. According to this, the new Ultra variant should get by with the 6.8-inch AMOLED display that has a 2K resolution, and the refresh rate should be either 120 or 144 Hz. Although Ishan Agarwal from the 91 Mobiles did not want to commit himself to this point. As for the processor, customers in America and China will get the Snapdragon 875, while the Europeans and Indian will get the Exynos 2100. This is not surprising since Samsung has been feeding Europeans with the often poorer Exynos chips for its flagship models for years. However, there is a trend reversal here, as the upcoming Exynos 2100 can keep up with other top 3 processors in the first league benchmarks. Otherwise, this video shows relatively few changes compared to the previous model. The battery should again have a capacity of a 5000 mAh, and the main camera on the rear should have the resolution of a 108 megapixel, while the selfie camera manages with the 40 megapixel. In summary, this publication offers hardly any surprises, since for the most part on the usual annual improvements are mentioned. Nevertheless, it will be exciting to see what Samsung will change in the upcoming flagship generation. There have been rumors in the past that the next Ultra model could also be delivered with the stylus pod. At this point, we would like to point out again that this is not information confirmed by the manufacturer. We will only receive this with the official presentation of the device. The second news about the Galaxy S21 that I am going to introduce you is the color variants of this smartphone. The industry insider Ross Young broke the news that the Samsung Galaxy S21 series includes 3 models: the medium cup Galaxy S21, the larger cup the Galaxy S21 Plus, and the super large cup the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Among them, the middle cap Galaxy S21 is available in grey, pink, and purple and white, while the Galaxy S21 Plus is available in the black and silver, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra is available in the black, silver, and purple. Not only that, Samsung Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus adopted a whole drilling straight screen for the first time, while the Galaxy S21 Ultra still continued the curved screen design. In terms of core configuration, the Samsung Galaxy S21 series is expected to be equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 flagship processor. This chip will be officially released on December 1. It is based on the 5nm process and uses Cortex X1 supercore for the first time. Over 700k points without pressure. So I think you like this video. So before going to anywhere, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.